Hi viewers, we hope you have enjoyed the first part of Kodaikanal tour. We have received your comments which will help us to improve our presentation. Now, in this episode, we are going to visit remaining places of interest in and around Kodaikanal. Those who have not subscribed so far, please subscribe our channel and share to all. Kodaikanal Lake. Kodaikanal Lake is an artificial, roughly star-shaped 45-hectare lake built in 1863 by Sir Vere Henry Levinge, the collector of Madurai. It's Kodaikanal's most popular geographic landmark and tourist attraction. Rowboats and pedalos can be hired at the Kodaikanal Boat Club. Horses and bicycles can also be hired beside the lake for short periods. The 5-kilometer path that skirts the periphery of this lake is a favorite walk for locals and tourists alike. Next, we are going to visit Kurinji Andava Temple. Located at a distance of 3 kilometers from the Kodaikanal Lake, Kurinji Andava Temple is a place worth visiting not just for religious tourists. Dedicated to Lord Muruga, the temple holds an important position amongst Hindu devotees. It is very famous for its Kurinji flower, which blossoms in the area only once every 12 years. Along with this, you can also have amazing view of the Palani and Vaigai Dam from this temple. Next is Mannavanur Lake. This lake is one of the most serene places that you can visit on Kodaikanal trip. This lake, as the name suggests, is located in Mannavanur village, which is around 34 km away from Kodaikanal. This picturesque lake can be seen as you drive down to the village. The view of the lake amid the captivating meadows with majestic hills at some distance is worth capturing. The drive to the lake is equally enchanting with eucalyptus and pine trees surrounding the road on both sides. As you pass across these trees, lush greenery with rich flora and fauna greets you at Mannavanur. Next is Moya Point. Moya Point is located at the entrance of the forest that extends to the beautiful Berrijam Lake. It is one of the important viewpoints in Kodaikanal. The site is named after the Thomas Moyer, who began the construction of the Gaussian Road in 1929 CE. This road joins the Kodaikanal Berrijam Lake here. There is a monument mentioning this stands in this site. The park near the Moyer Point was recently upgraded, making it more attractive. This is a major tourist spot and attracts a lot of crowd. Now we are going to visit Solar Observatory. Solar Observatory, operated by Indian Institute of Astrophysics. It is on the southern tip of the Palani Hills, 4 kilometers from Kodaikanal town. Solar data collected by the lab is the oldest continuous series of its kind in India. Precise observations of the equatorial electrojet are made here due to the unique geography of Kodaikanal. Next is Pillar Rocks. Pillar Rocks, the 8 kilometers from bus stand, is a set of 3 giant rock pillars which stand 122 meters high. Managed by the Tamil Nadu Forest Department, the viewpoint can be crowded, but it is not commercialized. There is an excellent public green garden adjacent to the viewpoint. Pine Forest. Pine Forest is one of the most popular places to see in Kodaikanal. A preserved heritage of the Kodaikanal, it presents mesmerizing nature that has been preserved very carefully. Pine forests are a result of the efforts of Mr. Bryant, who had started the pine plantations in order to grow the timber. Plantation was done in the year 1906. Next, we are going to visit Poombare. Poombare is a tiny village that is famous for its production of garlic. It is comfortably nestled among terraced fields and lush greenery. It stands at the height of 1920 meters in the Palani Hills and offers a picturesque view of the surroundings. You get to see colorful houses laid out in never-ending greenery. Poombare is as tranquil as it is mesmerizing and makes for a fantastic addition to any Kodaikanal trip. Next, we are going to visit Silver Cascade Falls. It is located at an altitude of 2318 meters on the road to Madurai and Kodai. The water flows down from a height of 180 feet, which makes it a beautiful sight for the onlookers. It is believed that the water from the falls is laden with various minerals, which gives these waters their healing and refreshing properties. It is a sight to watch monkeys playing on the cliff and slippery rocks of the fall. The name Silver Cascade is given to this fall owing to the color of the water, which appears silver when flowing down the 55-meter high cliff. Thank you for your continued support. Please go through the description box for itinerary, boarding and lodging facilities in Kodaikanal. See you soon in another interesting episode of our A to Z information. Thank you.